Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Radio, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from...
the USA!
Yeah, this package comes from the USA. Well, it's printed in China. I did an interview for a book a while back, and I got an email. I totally forgot about the interview, and got contacted by the author last week, I think. And here we go. This is the book. So let's crack it open and check it out. Ooh. So this is pretty neat. The first thing I'm seeing in here is a cup of chili tomato. This is a pretty good Nissan cup noodle. This is only sold in Japan as far as I know. Yeah, this is one of the ones that has the neat little tabs on the bottom. So what you do is you peel it half back, fill it up with water, take the tab off, close the lid, hold it down, and there you go. And then we've got this big, I guess, is that purple?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, yeah, let's look in here. All right, so let's pop this open. I'm really excited to see what we got in here. Oh, wow. Holy cow, these are big. It's a book.
Wow, is that your favorite book?
I don't know. I think I'll like it. Wow, look at this.
Wow!
Well, check this out. This book is big and fancy. Very cool. This little Momofuku Ando. It's like art about ramen. Different artists. Interviews. And then check it out. There's like an image I must have sent him. And there's an interview I did. Couple shots that I've taken in the past. But yeah, this is a really nice book. Good job, man. Way to elevate the bowl. That's cool. Well, if you want to get one, you can shoot on over to ramenforever.com and pick one up, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, you should do it. Well, what do you think of this? I'm in a big book. Is that cool?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll read it to you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, well, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.